This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Adrienne Downing. No galley kitchen in this pretty ranch and desirable Hunt Club forest. Unlike some other ranch floor plans in the neighborhood, this kitchen has room to spread out. Extra room in front can be office, playroom or bonus family room. Kitchen has been updated with custom cabinets and quartz countertops. Large 2-car garage. Move in and be settled in time for summer. For more information, review the details below or contact Adrienne Downing at 757-499-0124.